Okay. Don't throw it at the camera. You got me. Make another snowball.
Maybe on the grass.
Okay.
That's a lot of snow. Can you make me a snowball ball?
Get the snow from over there. From on the bricks.
Yeah. Oh. The snow hit my eye.
Don't squeeze it too tight. Be gentle.
Is it a snowball?
That sure is.
Now I gotta throw it straight.
Are you gonna throw it at me?
Yes, I gotta throw it straight.
Okay.
You forgot to accept that, Mom.
It's okay. I'm okay.
Yeah.